Taking me to the moon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Brianna Cole and thank you guys for watching. So today I have this beautiful wig from Alipearl hair. Like, she is gorgeous. Stop playing. Anyway, so this is a 20-inch deep wave 180 density lace HD lace frontal. So this is the wig, and I also got a medium-sized cap if you guys was wondering like what size cap I got. But I did have to cut a little bit of the lace off on the sides, but it wasn't that bad. So first, starting with the lace, like I said, it is a HD frontal and it's 13x4, so it starts all the way right here and goes all the way ear to ear. So I did have to pluck the wig, but really not a lot at all. Not a lot at all, like truly, honestly. I really plucked while I was on my head just so I can like pluck it to my liking on my head. But other than that, I maybe didn't really do that much plucking when the wig was off my head. And I did have to bleach the knots. The knots weren't bleached at all, so they have to do that. But other than that, the lace is beautiful. So getting into the hair, like I said, this is deep wave and it's 20 inches. This will feel a little longer than 20 inches, but hey, she's still cute. So 20 inches deep wave and 180 density, and I love curly wigs when the density is like more than 150, because 150 curly wigs, they just don't be giving how they should. And this is 180, so I highly recommend get a 180, because yeah. So with shedding and tangling, not getting entangling at all. I'll show you my hand. You can't really see it. So this is all the shading. I didn't get any hair on this hand, but I got a little bit on this hand. But so shedding and tangling is very minimal. We don't have a lot. So this is the box that the wig came in. Came with a little band. Came with a scarf, edge brush, some lashes, wig cap, and then the little band thing. I can never, elastic band. And then this is the back from Alipearl. Oops. So this is the bag from Alipearl hair. Very cute, very nice. Everything. So that's it for this wig. I highly recommend the link for this wig, the price and everything will be in the description below, so you guys can check it out if you want this wig for yourself. But the wig is gorgeous, so I love it. Okay, I love it. Cause yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below and I'll answer them. And yeah, bye guys.
Soldier boy, tell me.